everybody, I'm working on finishing up the Impala here, and we had an issue where once we turned the car back on, remember I did the alternator, took the battery, yada yada yada. I pulled the relay for the fuel pump, and so now an issue we're hunting down is why no power to the stereo. Now I have the fuse pulling out down here, so but I don't have any issues with the blinkers. I don't have a door chime right now with the door open and the keys in, and I don't have any issues hitting I don't get any sounds there either. So, but we're going to put this fuse back in and see what happens and go from there. Hopefully that's all it is. Alright people, listen to that. Now I just put the fuse in and listen to that. Now my brother picked up on this. Here comes Bear. But Bear picked up on this being part of the issue. So reading through the forums real quick, I just typed, Chevy Impala radio won't come on. And that seems to be an issue when you're messing around with the audio. Whoa! We got it fixed. Praise the Lord. Yeah, so the stereo's back on now. Nice. So if you got an issue, where if you've been working with the battery or something with the electrical, if you have an issue where your radio will not come on, if you don't have the sound for the door being open, or if you don't hear that, then you need to check the 15 amp fuse on the passenger side. So hope this helps. It's definitely a relief for us. We were kind of concerned what we did, but that's all it was. Yay!